Alright guys, welcome back to the Alpha Crypto Wolf channel. On this channel I talk about cryptocurrencies, crypto airdrop, crypto news and everything in the crypto space. Trust me, I make videos every day where I review token. I talk about solid project, shit coins, coins that are trending. I talk about coins you are holding, right? I'll be reviewing a token, and this token is among the biggest gainers on CoinMarketCap. The name of this token is called Asix Token. Asix. Now this token is built on the Binance Smart Chain BEP20, and the token is currently on the watch list of 8,028 people, ranking 2,962 on CoinMarketCap at the time of recording this video, right? This token is known as a play to earn game token, and the token is an Indonesia token. I think it is created by some Indonesia team or Indonesia developers, something like that, because when I checked the official website, I saw one of the game is an Indonesia traditional game. Now on the official website, Asix token is a play to earn metaverse market, play to earn token, and they have plans to create project on the metaverse. They also want to create an NFT marketplace, just like many tokens would want to do. But the interesting part of this project is the fact that they have over 26,040 holders, people holding the token that have invested, and a lot of people are buying this token. Look at this, 20 seconds, 17 seconds, people are buying this token. This token is actually getting attention of a lot of people. If you go to poolcoin.app, the total supply of this token is 10 quadrillion and the market cap is $64 million. With enough liquidity, there's like $1.6 million worth of liquidity in this token, which means when you buy this token you should be able to sell. Look at this, a lot of people are actually jumping on this project. One thing I'll be doing here is I'll be trying to confirm if this token is safe to invest, and one of the ways I can actually do this is for me to copy the contract address and go on Token Sniffer. Just copy the contract address here, go to tokensniffer.com to scan through this token. Look at it, Asix token, Asix, ASIX, whichever name you call it, that's the name of the token. Now the token is not a honeypot. It is, the sell fee is less than 10%, the buy fee is less than 10%, which is good. When you buy and you sell this token, they charge you like 16% fee, right? And the token has a verified contract source. There is no prior similar token, which means this contract code of this token was not edited from another one. It's like the developers actually build this contract code themselves. Now the ownership of this token is not renounced, which means the owners still have the power to do some modification of the contract behavior. For example, the owner can disable selling, change the fees, or even mint new tokens. However, in some cases there are positive reasons, good reasons why the ownership of a token is not renounced. The owners might have some good reasons in mind. The best way to know what their reasons are is for you to just contact the project team for such information. I can do that through their Telegram group, contact them on their official Twitter account, probably send them a mail. If you are interested in the project, you can ask them questions. But then personally, this is a personal opinion, I feel more confident when the ownership of a token is renounced, because it gives you more confidence. Nobody can actually modify or change the contract behavior of the token. Now from this information we can get on Token Sniffer, so many things look good with this token. The project is safe because there's 59.3% of this token that is locked in a particular wallet, and nobody's holding more than 5% of the circulating total supply. 5% of the circulating total supply, if anybody is holding more than 5% of the circulating total supply, is not a good sign, but nobody is holding more than that. Everybody are holding less than 5%, and the owner's wallet doesn't contain 5% of the circulating total supply. This gives people a lot of confidence. There's adequate liquidity. Like I said earlier, the liquidity of this token is $1.6 million, and if you can see here, this liquidity, 99.51% is locked in trust swap until, I'm going to see if I can get how long the lock will last. While we are waiting for this to load, if you go to poolcoin.app, more people are jumping in this token. You see this token is relatively new. This is like how many days old token. This is less than 2 weeks. Let's quickly check Token Sniffer. They always put the date of the token there. This token was deployed, the contract, this is 23 days old token actually. This is more than 2 weeks. They said the contract was deployed 19th of January 2022, guys. So everything about this token so far I don't think there's any major red flag apart from the fact that the ownership is not renounced. But I always encourage you. Everything I say here is for educational purpose. I am not your financial expert. I'm just a YouTuber that is interested in cryptocurrencies, and I make review videos and also talk about crypto projects. Please make sure you do your own research before you invest your money in any cryptocurrency project. That being said, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop further reviews and I give you more crypto news, you will not miss out. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video.